Welcome to Financify. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Phantom Wallet on your mobile device. Let's get started. If you are on iPhone, open the App Store. If you are on Android, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Phantom Wallet and hit search. Look for the official Phantom Wallet app with the purple ghost icon. Tap on Install or Get on iPhone to download it. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. Then, tap Create a new wallet if you don't have one. Set a password and confirm it, and back up your secret recovery phrase somewhere safe. This is important for wallet recovery. After setup, you will see your Phantom Wallet dashboard. You are now ready to use the Phantom Wallet. And that's it. You have successfully installed Phantom Wallet on your mobile. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Financify for more guides like this. See you in the next video.